Greetings, fellow bloody walkers. Guy here for These Bloody Streets. Have you ever dreamed of dining amongst the dead? Or eating pizza among those resting in peace?
Yum.
Or noshing on a cookie near a corpse? If you said yes to any of these questions, then boy, do we have the place for you. Cafe in the Crypt is a modern cafeteria nestled in Trafalgar Square. It's part of St. Martin in the Fields Church. The site on which the church now stands has been used as a place of worship since at least the 13th century. But it wasn't until a few decades ago that someone thought to themselves, hey, the church's crypt would be a great place to eat a sandwich. Now, those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of Piccadilly Circus take respite among the graves. They serve everything at Cafe. Now, those seeking respite pizza, from the hustle and bustle of Piccadilly Circus and sandwiches. Take refuge. Sometimes you can even take in a concert. At Cafe in the Crypt, you can dine on anything from sandwiches to salads to pizza and more. So come to Cafe in the Crypt to enjoy a delicious meal and raise your glass to the dead, for we shall all join them soon enough.
Floor -1. Doors opening. Going up.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our tour, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our tour, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our tour, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our tour, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our tour, please hit the